How much do you judge my luckiness?
Well, I think you're pretty lucky.
Do you think I could stick you inside of this box here and then shove a fire iron through it
How many
about
times?
6 times
6 times?
and not hit you once?
Sure.
Alright, let's try it.
I'm skinny, you know.
Alright, let's try it. Alright, Matt, let's try it.
Am I getting in?
Yeah, get in there feet first.
I'm scared, dude.
I got you. Alright, I'm looking. Oh, yeah, Rick. I haven't been killed yet.
Yeah, bye. Now, let's start now.
Pick me up. Alright, now remember, you gotta stand up.
I'm standing.
Oh!
Ow. Frost in here.
Alright. Go ahead, try to stand up.
Okay, now I'm standing.
Alright. I'll be right back. I'm gonna go get a fire iron.
Okay. Nathan,
Yeah.
this is a good idea.
Alright.
I'm not gonna make it.
Alright, I got you, man. Don't worry.
Oh!
I get you?
Not nice. Not quite. You nicked me.
See, I told you I wasn't gonna get you.
What time is that?
That's once. Alright. Get you that time?
No.
How about that time?
No. Okay, you kinda got me.
There goes 3. Now?
No.
How about that time?
Got my hand.
Your hand?
Yep.
Is it bleeding bad?
Nope.
Alright. Here goes 5. Here's 6. Get ya?
Nope.
Alright.
Put the fire iron away.
Alright. I'll be right back. Alright, I got a little surprise for Matt. He won't even know what hit him. Alright, Matt, since you did pretty good, I got something that might present quite of a challenge.
You got a firearm again? Fire iron? I'm not scared.
No, something a little different here.
You got nothing that could hurt me. What? Nathan! Oh my gosh! Ow! That wasn't cool. Let me out of here. How do I get out?
Oh, come on, don't be a sissy. Be a man, take it.
That hurt.
Yeah, I bet it didn't. Yeah, I got something a little bit more gentle.
No, I want fireworks. What is that? Ow!
Alright. Let's try something a little new. It's not a firecracker.
What is this one? Just let me out of here. What? Ow! Ow!
Y'all think he's endured enough pain? Yeah, I do. We don't want to kill him.
Ow!
Alright, I think Matt has endured enough pain through fireworks and fire irons. So,
Jake,
this last thing, I'm going to get him out of there. I'm going to plow right into it as hard as I
hey,
can.
Jason,
Here, I'm going to help you get out.
fireworks.
I'm going to help you get out.